Library. Happy Ontario Public Library Week. By now, I'm sure you've picked up your Mo Willems themed Take and Bake kit, a fun way to celebrate this week. And today I'm sharing some of my favorite Mo Willems stories, and I'm going to be reading this Elephant and Piggie book called Listen to My Trumpet. Okay, let's get started. Gerald! Sit, sit, sit! Do not move! I have a trumpet. Do you want to listen to my trumpet? Yes, please. Here I go. Blurk! Wait, that was not right. Not right at all. Flap! Frip! Rip! Rip! That is better. Better? Trick! Clack! Grope! Drump! Yikes! That is not music. Piggie sounds like my Aunt Molly with a cold. Sprack, crack, crack, scrap, crack, clack. And now the big finish. Blark, blark, quark, blap, zap, blap, blap, boing, quark, zap, smark. Finished? Finished. So, what do you think of my trumpet? Your trumpet is yes? Go on. Your trumpet is loud. And your trumpet is shiny. And you hold your trumpet very well. And I'm waiting. Piggie, you are my friend, and I'm your friend. So I will tell you the truth. Your trumpet is loud and shiny, and you hold it very well, but that was not music. Sorry. Gerald, you think I'm trying to make music? I'm trying to speak elephant. I want to sound like you. Oh, but Piggie, your accent needs work. I will teach you. Yeah! Try more ick in your